can vaseline really lay the edges? So today, being Thursdays, we're going to be attempting how to do our edges using vaseline. So we're going to take a little bit of vaseline, put it at the back of our hand, and then take my toothbrush deep into the vaseline. You can see this side way better. So we're going to outline our edges. Whoa, okay. Okay. I was not expecting it to lay my edges. So going with a swoop. Okay. And then another swoop. Okay, so well, now that it can, let us learn how to lay our edges using vaseline. So we're going to learn the basics of laying our edges, okay? This one is the simplest one there is. So you can lay your edges using a toothbrush, or you can use a spoolie, or you can use the edge brush. So for today, I'm going to use a toothbrush. So I just scooped a little vaseline so earlier. So take the vaseline. Okay, remember, if you're a beginner, take your hair back, outline only the smaller ones, okay? Only the small edges. If you go with the big edges, it is going to give you a hectic time, okay? So start with the small edges, like I have done. All right. So after you outline your edges like that, make sure all of them are covered nicely, right? Hey, vaseline. We have our edges outlined, okay? So you're just going to come, use the tip of your toothbrush, see? Like that. So now you can follow that shape. Okay, then you come to the remaining ones and swoop, okay, or bring them down, and then so bring them down, and then edges. The small ones, okay? So with the tip, make the shape, okay? And then come downwards, backwards, okay? The remaining one downwards, backwards. And there you have your edges. Okay. They are not staying. That is all. Be sure to subscribe for more experiments like this. So on our next Thursday video, we are going to be making a crochet wig, so you don't want to miss out. You know, on days that you do not wish to wear your hair, we're going to make a wig, okay? Gonna be popping that afro wig. So we're going to be making a curly afro wig. So be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You want to be getting all these updates. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.